Don't buy Fastcomet Web Hosting before watching this video. You may have read some great reviews and watched some positive videos about it, but it's important to understand the downside as well. We've personally used Fastcomet Hosting to one of our clients' websites, and today we will talk about what we liked and disliked about this web hosting. But first, what are the key elements you should look for in a web hosting provider? Well, you need to look at the features, pricing, ease of use, customer support, and overall performance of the web hosting provider. Web hosting companies in general focus on one segment or niche. For example, companies like Hostinger and Namecheap target newbies and those who are looking for a budget-friendly hosting option. Whereas companies like Bluehost and SiteGround target startups and business-related websites. They create specialized plans for their target audience. On the other hand, Fastcomet offers various pricing plans, suitable for every kind of business. Their shared hosting plan is good for new sites, entrepreneurs, and small businesses. Their VPS hosting plans are good for e-commerce, directory, and listing websites. And their enterprise plan is good for big IT companies and enterprises that are looking for advanced customization and extra security features. In other words, businesses ranging from small to mid-size can benefit from Fastcomet. It's especially helpful if you're building an e-commerce store. Fastcomet is a feature-rich web hosting that provides everything you need to manage your website. You'll get free website migration, daily free backups, and advanced security on each plan. They have 11 high-tech data centers across the globe, which means that you'll not face slow loading speed or downtime issues with any of their plans. Talking about the plans, Fastcomet offers 3 tiers for each plan and multiple contract lengths to choose from. And when it comes to pricing, it may provide affordable pricing options for first-time customers, but the renewal rates are 3 to 4 times higher than the initial purchase. They also don't offer free domains with any of their plans. Next, when it comes to customer support, Fastcomet is one of the best in the industry. This company has an average response time of under 15 minutes on all technical support issues. In addition, you will have access to 3 levels of escalation if you do not feel like you are getting the level of support that you need. In fact, if you look at Fastcomet reviews on Trustpilot, you'll see that most of the 5-star ratings are talking about their excellent customer support. So, there's no doubt that this web hosting provides full value for money. But when it comes to ease of use, Fastcomet is not as good as the name says. Companies like Hostinger and Bluehost are providing user-friendly interfaces to their customers, whereas Fastcomet is still using the same 10-year-old control panel, which is not beginner-friendly and feels kinda outdated as well. Personally, we don't like these outdated versions of control panels. However, it's not too technical, and you can easily navigate through it. Plus, you'll find many video tutorials and documentations in your support. And if at any point you feel like this isn't a good hosting choice, you can ask for a refund, as Fastcomet provides a 45-day no-questions-asked money-back guarantee to all of its users. Finally, if you are looking for an e-commerce store, we highly recommend Fastcomet. And if you are just starting out and looking for affordable options, you can look for other web hosting like Hostinger or Namecheap. These two are the most affordable hosting providers on the internet. We are still using Hostinger for our websites and recommend it to beginners. For e-commerce, Fastcomet is the best option currently. And since we are an affiliate partner to Fastcomet, we've got this exclusive coupon code, just for our viewers, that will provide you a flat 85% discount on your order. Simply click on the first link in the description and use this coupon at the checkout point to get the discount. Thanks for watching this video.